Here's everybody's favorite armor elevator at the Macy store in Broadway Comics. Typical old cab. Let's go down the basement. As you know, the door close button completely broke off. These are the super duper infamous Banjos. Lots of people heard it. And you know, because I had to do my impact cam for this one. This is the Westinghouse Classic leveling. Let's go to 5. Ooh, big bump. Actually, you know what, folks? I don't feel like doing impact cam. I just want to do a regular take without impact. I just did it already. So this says armor label. Big rack wall. Of course, the firearm is there. Let's go down to 1. Pretty basic cab. Used to be that color right there. Even more worse than Uniondale Marriott. Has a Dover banjo, but not anymore. So I'm gonna set this up. That's the Westinghouse or GEL interlock. That leveling's a bit off. And now we got this one. We haven't rolled this since a long time. Let's have a GEL interlock up there. Coning sensors, leveling's a bit off. Let's go down to B. Whoops. I think I just shut in some people. Ghetto fart! Let's go up to 5. And figure the door close button works. Oh, maybe they called it. Alright. Nope, they didn't call it. I think they took the other one though. The other one came for them. You see, this ride elevator is a major banjo. And it's very shaky. I want to show you the basement. I'm going to give you a cab view. See, there's the fan. You can see the shaft up there. This used to be the part where Fletcher made a big crack in the wall when they used to have the same color. I'm going to show you guys something. Hold on. Door now?
Yeah.
Armor. There you go. All right, take care. Now, I'm going to show you. They ain't no go nowhere. That's crappy sensors. I'm going to show you what's been going on since. Now, as you can see, the floor's been renovated. Fletcher said they usually have the old wooden floors, but except this used to be the old wooden floors, the one that what women have, and Fletcher mentions it. All right, I think with that said, let's take it for a ride. All right, I'm gonna go back up to 1, and we'll end the tour there. See if this has a classic level. It's a bit fierce with this one. Nope. Armor. 56. And that is it. I can't believe this thing is working.